And here is the next step that after we have already reset the phone, reset, remove screen lock, and reset, remove every data inside the phone. So here's the way that we got to start up like this. And now we're gonna click on next, start, and you have to select agree all here and click on agree. Okay, continue and click on more like this and keep continue and click OK. And you see it is non-skippable. We cannot skip without the internet connection, and we cannot skip this Google verification. So the first video here I'm just gonna show you how it works, and it looks like not it is going to skip this Google security or cannot skip the password here. And now click on OK again, OK again, and here's the way that we're gonna see skip again, but it cannot connect to the internet. So you have to connect your phone to the internet first before we can continue. You can use Wi-Fi network or can use mobile data networks, also working the same. And now we got this place again, so we go to turn on Wi-Fi, click turn on Wi-Fi, and you will see the Wi-Fi network here, and put the Wi-Fi network password. Okay, here is my Wi-Fi network password, and now it is connect, and then click on the next again and waiting for a few seconds or minutes that it is said getting your phone ready. But it's still not work. If you're trying to do like this, it will not work. I will take you how to bypass the Google verification FRP. Now it's showing like this. After it got ready, it's still locked with the Google account here. Use my Google account instead, or if you remember the password on the lock screen, you can use that, but it's completely not. So now I'm gonna go back for everything to the first screen, and here you can see emergency call, and you have to click on that. Now I'm gonna show you on my PC to do this. The first thing that we're gonna do is you need to download the software, one software for PC version, and you can go to this website here, SamFW.com, and you're gonna find this on the tool, and you go to download this FRP tool here. And now you have to scroll down until the end of the web page. Scroll down until the end of the web page until you see the download buttons, just like this. And here is you can download this the same mod setup aid here, and click on that, and when you're ready, you already download it, you're gonna see this download like this. and now I'm gonna download again because the file has been removed. Make sure that you have been disable your antivirus inside your PC. Now go to setting and search for Windows security. Okay, now click on antivirus, and now you have to disable it. The first one, real-time protection, and then click on yes. Don't worry, you will turn it on back after it's ready. And the next step is you need to download ADB drivers. So you can go to search on Google search like this and say ADB driver, just like that, and click enter, and you will see the universal adb.com. Download and install it on your computer. If you don't know how to do this, you can search on my channel to find ADB install. Just go to my channel name and you go to search button here, ADB, and click enter. You will see how to install the ADB driver like this with the link in the description to download and install. And the next step is you need to download Qualcomm drivers, just like this. Gonna Qualcomm USB driver. You have to learn how to download this driver into your computer. So you have to install the USB driver first to get it work. After ready all the steps above, you can download the same FRP tool set up here. And now I'm gonna click OK to start download. And now you're gonna click open and double click on it. Don't need to extract it. You have to double click on that and click on yes. And click on next, and then click on install, just like that. When you're ready, you click open it, and now you see you are using the latest version of your of this software. Now you can close the page, and now here is the tool that we can remove everything from your device, such as Google account or password. So now let's check back to your smartphone again. The first step that we're gonna do is you're gonna type on emergency call and type like this, star hash, star hash and 0 star and then hash again to enable the test point mode. When you are on the screen, this means you are on the test point mode, and then you have to plug your USB cable into the sucking port like this, and make sure you have connect the USB with your phone and keep the screen on. Now click on that, and now you will see something like this. Slowing charge, but don't worry. Now I'm gonna keep it here, and you will see the phone model like this. Samsung mobile USB modems. just you see this. If you are not seeing this means your phone is not installed driver properly. This means your computer is not yet installed the driver as I talk the first time. So now I'm gonna click follow me now. The first is okay. Now I'm gonna put this phone here. Sorry. Okay, now there are three options that the version is support the Android device 16 and the latest is 2026. So the Android version is a bottom you can do with that. And so now you have to there are three different steps. This is the latest version method in 2022. It means an old version of the method that you have to try it also. And here is the also the old version of method that you have to test it. And here is the new way of the USA models. So I hope you understand about it. Now I'm going to test this one first. If the one is not work, you can test with the other one. So now let's get started. Click on that, and there are two options. One is normal mode and the other is rapid mode. So you have to test these two modes one by one. Now I'm gonna use this one first. When you click that, everything is starting to run like this, and make sure that you have enabled the test point mode and click this one here and waiting for it until it works complete. Now you have to waiting like this and make sure that your phone is still on the screen. Just like this. You don't need to do anything. You have to waiting about it. When you see this okay, it means and you have to click allow here. When you see this okay mark, it means it is working. And now everything is get started. It load automatically to your phones. And now you're gonna click allow again. And now the phone is going to restart. When you see this, it means everything is okay like this, and the phone is going to restart by itself. And now I think everything is gonna be work now. And if you want to buy him a coffee, here is the link with the PayPal, pay with card, or okay, if you want to support this creator app. And then if you don't have money, I don't have money, so you can click on not, no, I do not. Okay, and now you can see everything on the screen on the phone is now unlocked, and it can be restart in multiple times. Now you can unplug your USB port. Okay, and now let's check together what is wrong now. Okay, everything is now unlocked. Now you can see here everything is bypassed completely, and you can now add a new Google account, or you can now add your Play Store account here. And now everything is works fine, good. And now you can close the app here. You can close it because we already done with that. And you can now turn the antivirus back to protect your PC again. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.